Programming your 2002 4Runner. Key Fob, a DIY guide. Want to program a new key fob for your 2002 Toyota 4Runner? It's a simple process you can do yourself. The programming process involves syncing the new remote to your vehicle's computer through a specific sequence of actions. No tools required beyond your key and the new remote. This method works for 1998 to 2002 4Runners. Aftermarket key fobs are widely available and cost-effective. Ensure the key fob operates on the correct frequency of 314 MHz. Begin by ensuring all doors are closed and unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the key from off to on 5 times in rapid succession within 10 seconds. The vehicle should honk once to confirm programming mode. Within 40 seconds, press and hold the lock button on your new key fob for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. The vehicle should honk twice to confirm programming. Repeat the lock button process for additional remotes, up to 4 total. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode and test each remote for functionality.